niggas in peace.
Hello you guys and welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be doing a Sunday reset. I have to do it because I haven't done it in the past week. I feel like Sunday resets are essential to start the week right and not like off and not knowing what you're doing. So I'm going to show you step by step on like how I prepare for the new week and what I do on a Sunday. It's like super gloomy out and I honestly don't feel like doing anything. Like I just want to lay in bed, but if I lay in bed all day, I'm going to start the week off wrong. So we're not going to do that. So this is your motivation to get up and follow this step by step because I promise you this will lead you to success for the new week and you will not be lacking. Also, how cute is this outfit? I took pictures with it today. I went on like a little walk. But this little sweater is from Aerie and then this bodysuit is from Aritzia. They have the best rompers. First thing we're going to be doing is taking the sheets down and cleaning them. I like to do this like every week so that I can have clean sheets for the week because it gets sweaty, it gets dirty, and it does build up germs. So they say to clean the sheets at least once or twice a week. So I try to do it once a week on my Sunday. So that's what we're going to do really quickly. Took the sheets off. It's exhausting with the little doggy. She's crazy. We just ran out of softener, so I need to go shopping ASAP for this. Cannot live without this, literally. For those that are new, I recently dyed my hair, as you guys can tell. It looks freshly done, but I've been doing like a couple things to take care of my hair. Obviously, when you get your hair done, it's not like magic. It's not like it's gonna grow. It's just gonna be dead if you don't take care of it. So usually when I'm like cleaning and stuff, it takes me like 8 hours or 5 hours, whatever time it takes. It does take a couple hours. So I like to put hair mask in my hair while I'm cleaning and doing that stuff. So I'm gonna put the Kerastase serum. This isn't sponsored, by the way. I just wanted to share some beauty secrets because why not? But I just put a little bit on my hand and run through all of my hair, literally everywhere. And this is what the serum looks like when you put it in here on your hand. And yes, my hair is gonna look really greasy, but it's all worth it. And usually I like to put this at night, but since I'm washing my hair tonight, I don't want to have another day of not washing my hair, so I'm doing it while I'm cleaning. And then I'm gonna go in with the Way scalp serum. This stuff is amazing. As you guys can tell, I've gone through it really fast. But I just put this on my scalp, obviously, and I put it on spots where I like have a bald spot or just anywhere. My hair struggles to grow more in the front, so that's why I put it in the front more, and then I just rub it in. There are scalp massagers that you can use that just works better, but I like using my finger and that just works best for me. But you can get them at Ulta, Sephora, literally anywhere. I'm sure you guys have seen it before. Anyways, that's all I do. I'm just gonna brush my hair and then get back to cleaning. The next step of this literal entire video is going to be cleaning. I feel like this is the main part of me feeling a lot better because if my room is messy, I can't function throughout the week. I really can't. I'm not going to get the bottom of this if I don't make a full day to doing it. So that's what we're going to be doing literally for the rest of this video. No, I'm kidding. I love watching people clean and it might seem weird, but I feel so motivated to do it all when I see somebody else cleaning, especially because it's so satisfying. So I'm going to make it satisfying for you guys. This is what the office is currently looking like. It doesn't look terrible, but you can tell it's kind of messy. I literally just threw things in corners. Try not to make it messy, so the entire room looks kind of clean, but also messy. First thing we're gonna do is start with the vanity. I was doing my makeup literally out of a makeup bag, even though I have this dream vanity. But we're just gonna organize it so I don't go back to this makeup bag. Coloring books keep me creative. They'll be linked down below if you guys are interested. And these markers. Nobody asked, but this is one of my like fun hobbies to do when I'm bored. I've had this canopy essential oil thing for so long. They sent it to me and it has of the essential oil scents. Like this was for the advent calendar for Christmas and I haven't like really opened all of them up because there were so many and I found so many good ones at the start, so I just grabbed whatever I wanted. But I need to organize this. I can't have this box just sitting laying there. One sec. I'm gonna organize it in this like bin. I think I got this bin from Target. I don't know, but you can get this on Amazon. But I just want to have everything at one place. That's why I want to take it all out. There is so I'm just gonna fast pace all of the essential oils that they have. This isn't sponsored, by the way. showed you guys all of the essential oils. Now let's organize it. If I were to tell you to get any one of these essential oils, it would have to be this one. It's the Coastal's Beach Flower. Like if you want your house to smell like a summery home, this is the essential oil. It's the best. I finished all. This is just the beginning of the collection of all of my essential oils. I am gonna add more in here, but this is all I have right now. I'm gonna throw all of this away and then I'm basically done with the office. My ice chai now. Now I'm gonna clean the kitchen. It's honestly a big mess, but this ice chai is gonna get me through it. It's so good. You guys, here's what the dishes look like right now. I am so embarrassed, but by the end of the week, I just end up being really lazy and things pile up. I don't do it throughout the day and I just leave it last minute. So we have to unload the dishwasher, clean the dishes, clean the mess over here. And I feel very much proud of myself. It looks so much cleaner, but I'm gonna go clean the stove now because it does get a little dirty, especially when it comes to cooking and stuff. So we gotta make sure that's on point. Cleaned it a couple days ago, but I like to clean it on Sundays even though it doesn't look terrible. The sheets out of the dryer, so now let's put it on the bed. The bed is all made and I'm so out of breath, but it feels so much better knowing that I have clean sheets. It's currently 6:27. I just came out of the shower. I feel so good right now. So clean. My hair feels clean. I'm just gonna blow dry it. It's a little wet. But I want to share one of my favorite perfumes, which is the Amazing Grace from Philosophy. It's so good. And I did shave my entire body, so I'm gonna put some of this lotion by Amazing Grace. It's also from Philosophy. And this just makes my skin feel so smooth. The best. It's currently raining outside and I don't think anything is better than a whole Sunday reset with everything being clean as well as yourself and then it rains. Like this is the coziest thing ever. Now I'm gonna do some self-care, which is just like face mask, skincare. After the shower I like to use the Bondi Boost heat protectant spray. So I'm just gonna spray this all over my hair. The thing with me when I like shower and wash my hair, I like to keep my hair in a towel like, wrapped around the towel like you just saw and then wait to blow dry for like a couple minutes, and that could be like 30 minutes. I just feel like my hair blow dries so much faster and it feels a little bit less frizzy. It's still gonna be frizzy after the shower because my hair is obviously dead because I dyed it. I'm gonna go get my blow dryer and another one of these spray things that help. Okay, I got the blow dryer and I got my little spray. If you struggle with like tangles in your hair, this literally saves it without pulling hair out, especially because when your hair is wet it's the most fragile, so you want to just be very careful with it and try different things to untangle it instead, you know what I mean? My hair is super thin, so I have really easy breakage if I don't like know what I'm doing. You guys see how tangly it is? I'm gonna sit down. I don't even know why I'm standing right now. I could be sitting. Let's just sit. No, but guys, I have been obsessed with the blonde hair, literally too obsessed with it, and it's kind of bad because just know my hair is gonna be so dead in a couple weeks, and I've had my hair dyed for about 2 weeks now, so there's some things I've been taking care of when it comes to my hair. Like I've been trying to find new products, and I'll have it all linked down below of like the hair mask that I use, because I found a hair mask that I actually am obsessed with, and it just is the best moisturizer hair mask. I've been getting a lot of questions on where I got this robe from, and it's from Aerie. I don't know if they still sell it, but I didn't even get it that long ago. It was like Christmas time. I use this robe a lot because it is so comfy, especially after an everything shower. Like, this is a must. You guys, I recently forgot to put my second... If you guys didn't know, I got like a second piercing like a couple years ago, and I forgot to put it on for 2 weeks. Now I can't even put anything in. Nothing goes through. So I'm kind of upset myself, because how could I even let myself do that? I always need to put like extra heat protectant spray, because that blow dryer will ruin my hair if I don't. The reason why I blow dry my hair is because if I don't, my hair will get like super greasy super fast. This is what sold me when I saw this. Ignore this little tangle. I don't know why I just don't untangle it, but it just seems like so much work. Blow drying my hair, and I feel like the routine that I've like fully invested in with my hair has been like actually doing justice, because I haven't even put oil on my hair and it looks this moisturized. Like, somebody has to try this out because it is so good. But the oil I like to use is the Curacao oil. It's a little bit pricey, but it is so worth it. Like, I put this on my hair probably 4 times a day. It makes my hair look so shiny. Like, now I'm gonna do a face mask. I've been trying to get myself to do that every single day. Well, they say to do it like 4 times a week. I haven't even done it once this week. I got from Current Body, and I'm gonna look crazy, but don't mind me. Just like this. There you go. Here. And then I just click this button right here, and there we have it. It'll be like this for 10 minutes, and then it will just turn off. I'm sorry, this looks so creepy, and my ears are popping out. Like, hello. Okay, anyways, I'm just gonna chill on my phone. Feels so good to take that off. I'm done with the face mask. I don't even know what I'm gonna do now. Okay, now I'm on my computer. I'm gonna plan out the week. This is just something I like to do before the week starts, so I can get ahead of what I want to do and what I want to focus on for the week. I, of course, set goals for a new month. This is obviously something that you don't have to do, but something that I like to do, so I kind of have an idea of how my week's gonna go, or just something I have to like look forward to, getting things done. I like to use the app Notion, which they have an app on your phone, and then they also have an app website on your computer, which is like what I like to use. And then I love how it's an app on your phone, because you can literally just check your schedule and everything on the app on your phone. You don't have to go on a website. But I've been using Notion for about 4 years now, and it is so good. It's not sponsored, but I just wanted to put you guys on because it is one of the best notes apps. Yeah, I'm just gonna go through and put the days of the week and then what I want to do on the days, or if there's anything that I have to do, like either go grocery shopping, just simple little things. I'm not gonna go in detail when planning, because sometimes it doesn't go as planned, and obviously things can come up, but the most important things I'm gonna make sure to put on the list. Whenever I put too much, I like overwhelm myself and I end up doing nothing. Like, it literally makes me feel so overwhelmed that I literally just want to, I'm sorry, I say literally so much. I end up being on the couch because I overwhelm myself with the whole list. I've like learned from that last year. One of the things that I make sure to not do is overwork with planning. Anyways, I'm gonna plan out the week. I also need to get my nails done, which I feel like I just got it done, which I did in my last video, but it's been like 2 weeks since I filmed that video, and I need to get them done. I'm gonna stop yapping because I love to yap when I talk, make videos and stuff, so I'm just gonna shush. I'm going to plan.